This is day 2 of coding every day until I hit 1K subs. Today I delved into the world of web automation with Selenium. My main goal was to figure out how to take screenshots of specific parts of a web page, even in headless mode, meaning without a visible browser window. Here's the initial code I used to capture a full-page screenshot headlessly. I set up Chrome options to run without a GUI, specified a window size, and used driver.save_screenshot to grab the image. I also added some crucial arguments like no sandbox and disable dev SHM usage to avoid common issues. After getting the full-page screenshot working, I focused on my main objective, capturing just a specific element on the page. Here's the code to take a screenshot of a specific element. The key parts here are waiting for the element to be visible using WebDriver wait, scrolling it into view with JavaScript, and then using the PIIL library to crop the full-page screenshot down to the element's dimensions. Spoiler alert for today's first LeetCode problem. This problem, check if number is a sum of powers of 3, asks us to determine if a given number can be expressed as the sum of distinct powers of 3. So, we need to see if we can combine numbers like 1, 3, 9, 2, 7, and so on, without repeating any, to get the target number. Here's my solution. I'm essentially converting the number to base 3. If at any point we see a remainder of 2 when dividing by 3, we know it's not a valid sum of powers of 3, because that would imply using a power of 3 twice. Spoiler alert, here's the description of another LeetCode problem, reverse only letters. We're given a string, and we need to reverse only the letters, keeping all non-letter characters in their original positions. Here's the solution. I first collect all the letters into a temporary list. Then, I iterate through the original string, replacing each letter with the last letter from the temporary list, using pop, and keeping non-letters as they are. This effectively reverses the letters, while preserving the positions of other characters. That's it for today. Let me know in the comments if you have any project ideas for this series, or if you have alternative solutions to the LeetCode problems. And if you want to help me continue making videos, you can donate at buymeaboba.com, link in the description.